Hey everybody, Dr. Shane Samwell here with Revive Spine and Sport Physical Therapy and Chiropractic Clinic. And today what I wanted to do, we're going to make a video on a little bit more advanced use of the foam roller, okay? So I'm going to give you 3 drills today to really unlock that upper back. So what we're going to do with our model here today, we're going to show this first stretch. This is going to help to your ability to be able to extend. So what he's going to do is he's going to take his hands and put them on top of the foam roller, assuming a child's pose position like in yoga. And what he's going to do is he's just going to reach with a neutral spine, reaching his hands across, okay? You can do this in repetitions or you can hold this stretch. Ideally, you want to spend about 1 minute to 2 minutes under tension. Okay, so the second drill we'll have him do is going to help with rotation of the thoracic spine. So what he's going to do, he's same position, okay? He's actually going to get into all fours. He's going to take one arm, put it underneath his other, and he's going to let that roll that way. We can demonstrate both sides. Place that there. Again, you can either do repetitions or you can stretch 1 to 2 minutes per side. The last drill I'm going to have him do, he's going to lie side lying. He's going to place his knee over top of the roller. Now, important to maintain contact with this knee and the left hand. What he's going to do is he's going to take this hand and rotate all the way to the other side. Again, you can do repetitions or you can hold the position. Thanks for watching.